Yeah, just. It's okay. Good times, man. Good times. You guys take it easy, okay? Don't hit me. I'm backing up. Doggy. Hi, doggy. Oh, they're so cute. Look at the cute doggies. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute, doggies. Bye-bye, doggies. Hi, yeah. Fucking took your time, bro. What's up, man? Hold on. Music, what's up? 1,000. Yeah. No, 03. I got an 07. 750? Yeah. Dude, I love it, man. It's good. I ride a couple bikes. I got like 3 motorcycles right now. Stop music. Stop. What's up, man?
So do you vlog?
Yeah, man.
Do you have a card at all?
I do. Hold on, let me get it out of here.
I work at 420. I watch vloggers all day long and just watch shit.
Yeah, I actually ride with my dog on my other bike.
Oh, where?
We ride together, we vlog and stuff like that.
Are you from this area? Or?
Yeah, I live in Bangor now. I'm from Florida.
Oh, where?
But yeah, I moved up here a few years ago.
Yeah, I say last before it started snowing, I was one guy that I saw that was vlogging, and then I don't really see too many. I only see
Up here?
Yeah, I just watch YouTube, so it's always out of state.
Who did you see up here?
I don't even remember who it was. He didn't have a card at the time, so I never got to see who it
What did you ride? Was it a red Ducati?
No.
Oh, okay.
I don't remember what it was. Videos and stuff too.
Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. I post every week.
I'll be watching those then.
Awesome, man.
I
appreciate that.
So I saw the camera. I was like, hey, he's got to be a vlogger or something. Man. I always like stopping and talking.
Testing this one out today. I just got that as a new B cam. So
I like driving. That's why I like bikes. I like to drive.
just ride out, man. Do whatever you got to do. What's your name?
Mamet.
Matt? Mamet?
M-E-H-M-E-T.
Mamet. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
A little different.
I'm Pacey. You'll probably get that from there. Yeah. But yeah, you'll probably be in a video.
Well, thanks.
I like to put stuff like this, and I'm recording right now. I'm pretty sure, anyway. Yeah, I'm recording. So.
I like being on video.
Yeah, man. You'll be on a video. Probably be a few weeks to a month. I'm kind of behind because I just got back from Florida. I took a trip down there. We rode around down there at the beginning of March. So I've still got videos from that I got to post before I post any new stuff.
Well, I'll be looking at it. I'll watch it.
Absolutely, man. Check it out.
Easy.
All right, Mamet. Nice. I think I just made my day. Check me out on YouTube, man. I got music playing in my helmet. I got music playing in my helmet.
I like your helmet.
Thank you. Here, I got something for you.
Okay.
I've got a YouTube channel.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I ride with my dog on my other bike.
Your dog?
Yeah, he rides right on the tank on my other bike.
I love dogs.
I have a Scottish Terrier. I have a cruiser. He just sits on the tank and we ride out.
That's adorable. That's funny. Your helmet though is sick. Like, that's sick.
This is the only one left. They were all over the place before. You should see my other helmet.
Yeah.
It's a little too cold to wear it now because it breathes a lot of air, but my other helmet, if you think this is sick, you should see the other one.
Alright, I will.
I did a video just on that one. It's crazy.
Nice. Thank you so much.
No problem. He rides with me a lot. He's a buddy of mine, so you'll see him on there with me and Merlin riding around.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's awesome. You have a great day.
Give me one of those. Come on now. There we go. You guys have a good one, okay?
Yep.
You'll be on YouTube now.